Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressions Colour Arte Studio with some leftover colors that were just wonderful. And I will use them from the video they came from and make a list. This is red violet. I'm going to add some of that. I've got some mellow yellow, vivid intense. Oh, I think I put a little hollyberry in there too, which is a purely pigment. Actually, you know what? I think the mellow yellow is a purely pigment as well. I was thinking I was going to put some blue flame in that, but I didn't. So I'm going to put it right in here. It occurred to me that I want some lighter colors, so I'm going to add some periwinkle. And a little bit of alizarin rose, which was in the first painting, vivid intense. I think I'm going to indulge myself in adding, for the first time ever, some of the titanium white and hope that it's okay. I have to find out the hard way. I have a new color from Purely Pigments. All Colour Arte colors. I'm a Colour Arte affiliate. This is Oriental Blue. It's a similar depth of color shade to the Periwinkle, I think. And last but not least, at least for now, I'm going to add some Dancing Fuchsia again. I just got called to some turquoise, and I've got cyan aqua and vivid intense aqua and Mystique primary element. That's what I'm going to use. I might want some more yellow. And my white disappeared completely, so if I want white, I'll put it in afterwards. Might want some black also. This is a 12-inch round that I've already pre-primed, then it's dry. I could wind up swiping. I doubt it, but I might. I want more Dancing Fuchsia. So I'm going to put it right in the shovel. I think I want to use a straw, blow that toward the edge. Now, I have Bling It Golden Maple. That I wasn't expecting to use. And I have a little nail art tool that I can manipulate my color with. I want more blue. I think the blue flame is going to definitely get used again. And I like it with the yellow, so maybe I'll do that as well. I've got Hansa yellow with Peroli orange. The Hansa is a vivid intense. I believe so is the Peroli orange. I got some yucky color. Let's pour that right off. Kind of don't mind that. Or that. Or that. Or that. I've got a smaller scoop and maybe I should use it. I'm kind of thinking that would be a good idea. It's half a Sharpie cover. That way if I want to I can throw my shovel in the bucket. That's kind of interesting. I use my, if I can get a few more residuals. I think that'll do for right now. That's kind of neat. Makes me want more blue though. You know what? That Oriental blue is also calling me. Oriental blue and a little more red violet. And a little more blue flame. Still tempted by the turquoise. Oh, I didn't think I was going to use that shovel again. And I think it's time for my nail art tool to come into play. That works. I am recording. So far so good. Got a little bit of yucky color in there, but I've got some good colors still left. Time to scrape off the bottom. Remove any cat hairs. Leave that for a minute. I haven't done any nail art adjustments on shovel pores because I didn't have the nail art tools the last time I did this. So it's a good experiment. Need a steady hand. Hopefully that will even out. I'm inclined to leave it. I'm going to make that a flower. I thought I wasn't going to put anything in the middle there, but I am. And where else? I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my mixtures, so if you're worried about paint being too heavy, cracking, it probably will not. That's my experience anyway. I do love dots. I don't usually do big dots, but I kind of want to try one because I can. I would have liked it if the colors were a little better. Try harder to get better colors. It's not a very round circle. In theory, I should be able to fix that. Just rounding it out. I guess that's okay. I still got to do something with this dot that was rogue over here. I want to pick better colors. If I have too much paint on my tool, I want to offload it. I think that'll work. Kind of think I must be done pretty well. Although I have that one line that's bugging me. There, I faked it. And I've still got paint left. What am I going to do with that? Let's shimmer this at you. I'm not sure which way up it's supposed to be. I'm also pretty sure I don't want to put my finger in the painting because I bet I've got paint on my thumb. I had to dribble. See if I can find a way up. Oh, I like that way. That's my favorite way. I want a few more dots though. Maybe a couple of leaves. Or leaf shapes anyway. That's not bad. I like that. I am a little bit interested in one more line. Don't ask me why. This is my Orange Crush. And stop just in time. I'm not sure that was a good idea, but it'll be okay. Maybe I need another one. That might help. There, now I'm done. I promise. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. It speaks to the YouTube algorithm. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, one-on-one, or purchasing an artwork. Linktree, you'll find promo codes for Colour Arte products and pixel paint designs. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at around 2 p.m. hopefully. There's something else. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more, and I have 34 playlists of 100 videos each, and everything's organized by topic and genres. If you need anything, don't forget, ask questions. It's fine. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.